I'm Emily Tsay, and I'm the Senior Director of Knowledge Management at TrueMerit, which is a credential evaluation agency that specializes in the healthcare sector. The idea really is to help identify barriers and points of friction for learner and credit mobility and be able to bring about and establish, apply real-world solutions. In order for that to happen, we need the attendees to really actively engage and participate and be part of that problem solving. So that's why we make that distinction between participants and attendees, which is really exciting. I absolutely love that idea. In addition to sessions, there are going to be these project-based learning groups or pods where you work with your colleagues on actual problems and how you would solve them on campus, akin to practical hands-on training, right? Versus just talking about it in theory and the hypothetical. Solving that particular issue, whether it is bringing together buy-in from all the different stakeholder departments on campus, creating the infrastructure, creating the processes. So actual things that can be taken home and applied on campus. So this is going to be a real treat, and I really encourage everyone to come and take advantage of this new experience. If your work is about learner and credit mobility, the Assembly is the place for you. It is a place where you can talk with other practitioners about removing barriers and attacking those points of friction to serve the students and help them become successful on your campus. The Assembly will be that place to help you achieve all that.